As the city of Cleveland grew, Doan Brook was significantly modified to construct dams and lakes, reroute the stream underground, and channelize the stream to support continued urbanization. Doan Brook through the Cleveland Cultural Gardens was straightened, with the banks reinforced with stone walls and small weirs installed to control the slope. These modifications limit the quality and availability of aquatic habitat and serve as barriers to fish movement. Erosion and water quality concerns drive the need to evaluate long-term solutions for stream management, including potential removal or replacement of stone walls. This Planning Assistance to States study with Doan Brook Watershed Partnership will assess current habitat quality in the affected reach of Doan Brook, identify opportunities for restoration, and develop a prioritization framework for restoration investments.